Welcome to my channel Toughtoeasy.
Reinforce. Meaning: to make something stronger. Example: the teacher gave more examples to reinforce the topic. Inculcate. Meaning: to fix beliefs or ideas in someone's mind through repetition. Example: parents should inculcate moral values in children. Eradicate. Meaning: to completely remove or destroy something harmful. Example: we must eradicate bad habits in our lives. Manifest. Meaning: to show something or to be shown clearly. Example: love should be manifested in actions, not in words. Caliber. Meaning: the quality or ability of a person or thing. Example: she is a teacher of high caliber.